Hi guys. Okay, so let's look at this problem using molarity to calculate the volume of the solution. So if you are given a question like how many liters of 2 molar NaCl solution contains 67.3 grams of NaCl, so this is how you're going to be doing it. All right, so here in this question, clearly you are given the grams of NaCl, right? And you're asked to find the volume using the molarity. Okay, so first thing always is to write down what is given to you. You are given the mass 67.3 grams of NaCl. Next thing is you are given the molarity of the NaCl solution, which is equal to 2.00 molar. Now, there's always certain things that you are always going to know, and that is the formula. So we know that molarity is equal to the moles of the solute. So in this case, NaCl over the volume in liters of the solution. Okay, so the only problem is you are given the grams of NaCl. So you need to convert that to moles always. So take the grams of NaCl and convert them to moles of NaCl using the molar mass. And what is that molar mass of NaCl? We will calculate it. So this is the molar mass will be used as a conversion factor to give you the moles of NaOH. Okay, so sorry, it's NaCl. Okay, so here you have the molar mass of NaCl, which is going to be 1 atom of sodium and 1 of chlorine. Sodium is 23 and chlorine is 35. So sodium is 23 and chlorine is 35. So when you add the two together, you are going to get 58 grams of NaCl. So that's like all rounded up. So this is the 58 grams per mole of NaCl. Okay. Now you have the 58 grams of NaCl. So now you're going to take the given grams, 67.3. So here's your 67.3 grams of NaCl times, we're converting to moles. So 1 mole of NaCl over 58 grams of NaCl. And I'm sorry I keep writing NaOH, but it's really NaCl. NaCl. Okay, so we have the 67.3 now. So this means 67.3 divided by 58. Okay, because this grams of NaCl and this grams of NaCl cancel out. Okay, so 57.60, so 57.57. So here's something we can add more. So let's just do it this way anyways. So 67.3 divided by 58 gives you 1.160. That is 1.160 is equal to 1.160. Okay, so 67.3 divided by 58 is equal to 1.160. Okay, so now we have the next thing is going to be, this is the number of moles of NaCl. Next thing is we are going to be finding the volume because now we are given the molarity. So this is the first step. And now you take the second step. Molarity M is equal to moles over the volume in liters. Okay, the moles of the solute. And the solute here is NaCl. The volume is total volume of the solution. Okay, so you're going to take one now. Uh, yeah, 1 point. Yeah, so volume. So when you do the algebraic conversion, volume in liters is equal to the number of moles of the solute divided by the molarity given of the solution. So you are given 1 point. So this is the volume in liters, and this is equal to the moles of the solute, which is 1.160 moles of NaCl divided by the molarity, which is 2.00 m of this whole solution, molarity of the solution. And that is going to give you 0.576 liters. 0.576 liters. Volume is in liters. Okay, so this is how you use the molarity formula to find the volume or to find the mass also. You can find the mass also using the same transformation. Okay, so I hope that was easy and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.